But I won't lie, that black girl, like, she was like really, 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 really dark, and she was so cute. I met her at school, college.
Stories, I'm a fool for your love.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing something new. So I'm gonna do a black girl problems tag, and I'm going to be doing like a quick makeup look. Well, I will not say makeup look, but I'm just going to be doing my eyebrows and applying mascara and eyeliner, and that's it. Okay, so like let's begin. So I'm going to, do my brows. Okay, so like, I think a lot of you girls will relate to this, and not only a brow. The first one on my list is a lot of people tend to like, tell black girls like, oh, you know what, like, you pretty for a black girl and stuff like, it just sounds like being black is ugly or something, like a lot of but a lot of people tend to do that, which, and I know they wouldn't like if somebody was like to tell them like, oh, you know what, for a white girl you look cute, or or something like that, but like for black girls they want to go ahead and discriminate us and stuff like. And the other thing is, not only whites that do that, or light skin I should say, and stuff. Sometimes ourselves, like black girls, telling other black girls that. And I'm not gonna lie, I have done this once, like, I don't know, but like, that's just so mean. But I won't lie, that black girl, like, she was like really, 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 really dark, and she was so cute. I met her at school, college, Like, for sure, she was a really cute black girl and stuff. And she cut her hair and stuff, and she was just looking so nice. She was a really cute black girl. Okay, so the other one is that a lot of people tend to believe if a black girl, like, today, tomorrow, dyes her hair red, like, oh my gosh, what's wrong with her? Like, y'all tend to say so much negative stuff, like, she's a whore, she's slutty, she's ghetto, she's this, she's that, And what if a light-skinned person does that? Like, everybody's like, oh, you look so cute with your man, shit like that. And another thing is that if a black girl decides to dye her hair and stuff, a lot of people will be like, oh my gosh, she didn't see herself, like, that color doesn't go with her and stuff like, we always have a lot to say, And I just don't understand how light-skinned persons, like, they can pass with a lot of stuff, and then we black girls, we don't. And this is so unfair. So unfair. Okay. Alright, another thing is that finding a good edge control. You know how long this took me? And look at this. Like where the edges went to. Like I don't know where, you know, like I just don't know. I just don't know. Like I can't find a really good edge control to do me wonders. Like I'm talking about hair. Let's go to this one. When you see you have protective styles and whatnot, and like in the middle of the night you have to get up and you have to tie your head tie or your satin or whatever you tie your hair with, or your bandana like me, you have to tie your hair back. You know, like that's just too much.
Suffocating, I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
And another thing is that for a black girl, if you decide to speak proper English and stuff, everybody be like, you know, like you Yankee, you know, you this, you that, you this, you that, you this, you that. Man, this is just too much. And I had an experience with that one. Cause I'm from Sufre, so-called down south for those city kids and stuff, like, you know. So but it's not south, it is west. Okay, so like it was a weekend, I came back home and stuff, and this person was like, you know, you don't have to speak like that with us, like, you know, and stuff. I felt really hurt, and like I just felt really hurt, but I didn't say nothing to the person, because I wanted to pronounce my words, you know, and stuff like that. I can't even remember what I was saying clearly, but let me give you an example. So let's say we were speaking about maybe some man down the road or something. I was like, probably you know, the man down the road, like he got hurt and stuff like that. The person maybe for that we should have just said, oh, you know, but the man down the road there, whatever, you know, like, you know, but like I felt really good. And but anyways, do not forget about it. But yeah, I felt really good. And that's the thing. A lot of people always tend to tell you, like, you know, if you wanna take your time and speak and stuff like that. But yeah, I understand there are some people that actually do it on purpose and stuff like that. Now that's annoying. So, like, you know, but my first 2 years at my secondary school was very hard, because I was being bullied and stuff like that, so, you know. Yeah. But I managed to survive high school, so thank God for that. So, okay.
Mistakes ignite the silence. Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire.
That's just too much on me now. And one eyebrow is that eyebrow is so small and look at it, it's so thick. It's so thick, man. It's going with this. Now we're looking cute. Okay, so like let's go back to this. So another one is another hair problem. Like, you know, when you have like a really nice hairstyle, a nice popping hairstyle, you know, with curls or whatnot you have. Like everybody wanna be like, can I feel your hair? Can I touch your hair? Oh my gosh, it's so soft. Like, was my hair supposed to be hard or something? But yeah, everybody wanna be constantly in your hair and stuff. And honestly, I do not like people always in my hair and stuff, like, you know. I don't even always be in my hair. Well, I used to. Like, I kinda stopped the hair. You always wanna be in your hair and stuff, like, can I touch your hair? Oh my god, it's so soft. Okay. Like my hair was supposed to be hard or something for you. Okay, another one is that this one is so me. If I decide to just go out and like I forgot to cream my leg, honey, everybody would know I didn't use lotion today. Cause like, let me tell you, I have extremely dry skin. Like, it's just so horrible. Everybody would know, really and truly. Everybody would know. Another thing is that if you decide to cut your hair, everybody be like, oh my gosh, like, has she lost her mind or something? Like, I don't know. Like, people that have problems alone are supposed to cut their hair and stuff. You know? I just don't understand. Well, for me, I didn't really have trouble when I cut my hair. The only thing is that my mom was freaked out and stuff. But yeah, I think that's the only problem I encountered. Or maybe that's the only one I will share with you guys. I'm not too sure. So yeah. Alright, so let's move on. So this is actually the last one, you know. Yeah, this is like the last one. And you know, I'm almost done with my makeup, so that's a good thing. Now, I don't know if I should put blue mascara or black. Okay, I'm just gonna stay with the black. Black is fine. Okay, so this one is just so me. So like, no matter what I put in my hair, sometimes like it's it still looks dry. It still feels dry. Like, I just don't know. And I've been using that rice water stuff, wash whatever thing, right? So like, it's getting my hair thick, but I'm not really seeing length-wise growth. I'm just seeing like thickness. So like, it's getting my hair thick, so like I'm having a little more trouble than usual in like hydration and stuff like that, but nothing I can do with. Let's see. Oh my gosh, I look so cute. Okay, so like guys, I think I'm gonna put some finishing powder on my face just to give me a little pump of excitement and stuff. Okay, let's get on. And this is what I usually do around summertime, you know, for me to look wow. I will put a little finishing powder and stuff on my face. I just like the effect. Okay, just looks so nice. Okay, so guys, this is officially the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you haven't subscribed to my wonderful channel, go ahead and do that right now, and don't forget to put on your post notification bell, and stay connected with me on my socials, and leave a comment down below for your girl. Tell me how much you love this video and stuff. Yeah. Okay, so guys, bye.
It's on 40 in my right car. Bitches change, they act like I ain't all this. Get that money, nigga, that my main focus. In my right car. Bitches change, they act like I ain't all